The Cowboy Bike has neither a chain nor gears, but it does come with its own app and it even takes a SIM card. We tried out the fancy e-bike on the streets of Berlin for one whole week. Here's what we thought of it. The Cowboy Bike is a tech-heavy set of wheels meant for the city. As a single-speed bike, it has no gears and also no chain. Instead, Cowboy uses a belt drive. It is clean and maintenance-free, but it's also harder to replace than a simple chain. Lights are installed inside the Cowboy's frame, along with a battery. Speaking of the battery, it sits at the back of the seat post and is secured with a key. But much more exciting is the electric motor, which is located in the rear wheel hub. It was developed in-house, has an output of 250 watts, and it pushes the Cowboy Bike along incredibly smoothly yet powerfully. Speeds of up to 25 km/h can be reached. Since the Cowboy Bike is in itself rather fast, most riders will be quicker than those using muscle power on a clear stretch of road. The battery has a capacity of 360 watt-hours. You can cover about 70 kilometers off a single charge. Those are strong stats. The brakes grip tightly, and the seating position is sporty. What distinguishes the Cowboy from other e-bikes is the app. It was developed hand in hand with the bike and is connected via Bluetooth. It not only activates the motor, navigates and switches on the lights, but it also forwards updates to the electronics inside the bike. You can also locate your Cowboy Bike thanks to the built-in SIM in the frame. There's also a direct line to customer support available from the app. But despite all this praise, the Cowboy Bike also has weaknesses. It is only offered in one frame size, and since the saddle nor the handlebars are adjustable in height, it doesn't fit every rider. By the way, you won't be carrying a lot of luggage on this. The total maximum weight the Cowboy can withstand is 100 kilograms, and that's including the bike, which itself weighs 16 kilograms. That's not very much at all. It's also a shame that there's no way to activate the bike without the app and use the engine. This could have been easily solved using a lock on the battery. Cowboy also doesn't offer any suitable accessories for the e-bike, and that's a shame. Such a chic bike is screaming out for specially designed accessories. Our man Stefan had a lot of fun during the time he was testing the bike here for a whole week on the streets of Berlin. If your requirements match what Cowboy is offering, you can have a really fine bike here for less than 2,000 euros. And one more thing, Cowboy will even deliver a bike to your home for a free test drive, providing you live in one of the designated cities. Let us know what you think of the Cowboy e-bike in the comment section below. I've been David for AndroidPIT, thank you for watching.